this video, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over this license plate frame. Now this is a front license plate frame, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna actually try to put it on the back, and it's a carbon fiber kind of like look to it. Actually, let's just open it up because I've not really looked over this thing. And so this bracket right here is going to go on the front of your vehicle. You could see it's got all types of slots for whatever vehicle you need. You get a couple little kind of zip ties. Well, this isn't a zip tie. This is like these metal ties like that. And there is a little set of instructions on how this works. You can see how you can mount it in a grill or on just a front of a vehicle. I have these screws right here. Some little washers. There's like some peel and stick washers, and I like that they have these little carbon fiber covers, because what I'm going to do, I'm going to mount this on the back of my vehicle and then run this around the outside of my tag, so it's going to look a lot cleaner. And then look how cool this looks. This is actual carbon fiber looking. It's not carbon fiber. Obviously at this price, it's not gonna be carbon fiber. Mine's got a little bend right there, but because it's aluminum, I can just bend it right back. But let me go ahead and mount this on my vehicle. And then I'm not gonna show my tag, but I am gonna show you guys how this is gonna mount just like that with all the actual supplied hardware. And it looks like the hardware in it is just a type of Phillips head screw. There you go. So that's going to go into the vehicle, and that's going to hold this on, and then these will go on the actual tag. So let's go ahead and mount all this up, and I'll show you what it looks like. So let's do that now. Okay, everybody, here it is. I just mounted it all. Look how nice and clean it looks even on the back. Now I flip my tag over because obviously I can't show my tag number, but look at this carbon fiber look and see how these mount. Now what I'll do is take these little guys right here, and then these caps will actually snap over top of the screws once you put those covers on. I'm going to take it all back off and obviously flip my tag around, but I want to show y'all how nice and clean that looks. That is very clean, whether it's on the front or back. I think it works great on the back, and look how solid that looks. That looks solid. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on, front and back license plate holder. See you all in the next video.